What's up, guys? It's Friday. Today we're doing a little 4-foot Gothic fence. You can see a couple weeks ago where I came and marked where I was going to put the fence. I had the gas lines marked. You can see right here. Call before you dig. I highly recommend doing it because if I wouldn't have, I could have possibly hit it considering how close I am. Before I get any further into this video, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Like this video, comment, hit the notification bell if you want to know when my videos come out. Enjoy the rest of the video. I actually wanted to do this job last Friday, and I had called last week to get the lines marked in the ground, but what I learned, very important, is that when you call, they have 5 days to get out here and do it, and I only gave them 3 days notice, and they didn't have it done by last Friday, so I had to wait till this Friday to do it. I explained all that to my customer. Luckily, they were very reasonable and understood. This day's off to a terrible start. Just busted a water line. The whole reason I had them come mark, but apparently they did not mark right here, so. Pretty sure it's an irrigation line because it just let a little bit of water out, not a whole gush, so that means the irrigation system's turned off right now. I'm gonna go ahead and drill the rest of my holes and then worry about this leak later. After some challenging times with that auger, one being the first hole I drilled right into a water line, which I don't know why it wasn't marked. Two being right here on this hole, I hit a big root. That thing kicked, hit my knee and was spinning around. I had to stop it, take a little break because my knee was hurting. But I finally got all 7 holes dug. And my water leak fixed. I got my line from one post to the other. Got my level on it. Like I know what I'm doing. But no, seriously, the line is so these next couple posts will be just the same height as those, so it'll look level all the way down. This is going to be a custom built fence. I didn't go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy sections of fence. I went and bought each individual item and assembling it right here at the job. Something unique about this fence is that I actually had to order these posts from a local fence company because no one else had them. I wanted the post to match the picket. And thinking through things like that when you're planning out a job can either make or break you. Like if I went to Lowe's last night to get all my materials and then noticed that they didn't have these, you actually have to order them. I have to push the job out 2 weeks, which makes you look unprofessional and not good to your client, possibly losing them or losing their respect. Which really goes back to what I told you earlier today when I called for them to come mark the lines. Not knowing can hurt you because I didn't know that they needed 5 days. I could have had this job done last week. So it's all a process, it's all learning, and gotta learn something every day. just got the metal gate mounted. I use carriage bolts that are galvanized so they won't rust to tie the 2x4 to the actual gate. I actually did not weld this gate. I had another local fence company weld that gate for me. What's up, guys? I just finished the fence up. It turned out super clean. In my opinion, I'm super satisfied with it. Another thing about this metal gate is I've built wood gates in the past, but I talked to a fence company, the one I bought it from. They said they do not build a wood gate because they don't last. This metal gate is the best one out there, so I'm going to start using these from now on. But everything looks super clean. I tied it into over here just so it'd be closed off. Getting out of here, guys. I've been here since like 8:30, about 9 hours of work. I'm actually pretty much done. Tomorrow I'm going to come back, button up a couple small things. Hey! The neighbor just came by, he looked at the fence, he loved it. He actually had me go look at his fence and a crawl space access door, so he'll probably be calling me for work, so that's always a good thing. You do work and the neighbor walks by, sees it, happy with it. It's another customer right there. But back to what I was saying, I worked about 9 hours. I'm actually going to make like profit $900 off this job. I was actually expecting it to take me about 2 days, and I did pretty good considering I busted that pipe. I had to run to Lowe's, get what I needed, and then that auger threw me around. I had to take a break after that, and my pants ripped. But not a bad day overall. It went fairly smooth besides those little hiccups we had in the beginning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.